नमस्कार एंड गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। वेलकम टू अ न्यू एनालिसिस ऑफ निफ्टी। इससे पहले कि हम निफ्टी एनालिसिस शुरू करें, एक छोटी सी चीज़ है जो आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। आई वांटेड टू डिस्कस दिस सम डेज बैक बट नहीं कर पाया, तो आज सोचा आपको इसी वीडियो में इंक्लूड कर लेता हूँ। एक छोटा सा पॉइंट है। सी व्हाट आई हैव बीन गैदरिंग फ्रॉम द कमेंट बॉक्स सेक्शन, मैनी ऑफ माई सब्सक्राइबर्स दे आर लर्निंग और प्रैक्टिसिंग इलियट वेव। सो अगर कोई सीख रहे हैं, हम कोई चीज़ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट, वेदर इट इज़ यू और मी, एवरीबडी हैज़ दैट स्कोप। तो आप जब भी इलियट वेव्स को आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं या लर्न करते हैं, बहुत चीज़ें आप सीखते हैं, लेकिन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू शुड ट्राई टू लर्न इज टू recognize the looks of the pattern. See, this is very, very important. You should not rush to label a wave. You should not rush to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a chart or ABC pattern. That is not important. The most important thing is that you should be able to recognize the pattern, whether it is a corrective or a impulsive move. आप इसको ऐसे सोचें कि you meet someone, an old friend of yours in a market. How do you recognize him? You don't go and weigh him, you don't go and measure his height, you don't go and see the colors of his eyes or the hairs. Just by the visual impact, you recognize him. It's the visual thing. The first impact is the visual. So that should be the case with the pattern also. As soon as you see a pattern, you should be able to tell anybody that this is a corrective move or this is an impulsive move. See, what is the implication of this? There is only very simple implication. If it is a corrective move that you are seeing on the chart, sooner or later that entire move will be retraced. And if you are seeing an impulsive move, if it is not the fifth wave, then the high will be taken out sooner or later. It can avoid you making losses. Not that you can make more profits. Yes, you can. But one thing is for sure, you will not make losses because you will be prepared for that kind of a move. You will not be unprepared कि अरे 700 पॉइंट गिर गया निफ्टी, अब क्या करें? You will be prepared for that. See here, this is a NIFTY monthly chart. See from this low to this high. Simple. ये एक corrective move था. This is a corrective move, as you can see, a three-wave structure. So this had to be retraced. It could have been retraced 100%. It could have been retraced 61%. That is the pattern. The pattern what it's forming will tell you. But it will be retraced. So see the retracement, more than 61%. It's done. So anybody who's taking a long here should have booked out the profit here or here or here because he or she would have known that this is a corrective pattern. Sooner or later it retraced. So you will not be in a loss because you would have already booked out. This fall, this is also corrective. You can see A, B, C. Anybody short here should have known that this is a corrective pattern going on. He should book his profit sooner or later because this move will eventually be retraced, and it had. See the retracement more than 61% again. Again, this was a corrective pattern and it got retraced 100%. So this is the point I wanted to make. And if you see the broader sense, A, B, C, D, and most probably again falling, that is a separate story. But remember to recognize the pattern. This is the first thing that you should start practicing on charts without any marking. Just have a look at them. Continue looking at them till you are satisfied that this is a corrective or an impulsive move. This is a small point, but I can assure you if you do this, it will save you a lot of effort, a lot of time, and eventually it will save you a lot of money. So now moving on to a Nifty analysis. This is a 15-minute chart of Nifty that we have been discussing. I have removed the box here because we have already ventured into this box. So now that box was not needed. Let us see the fall. Let me remark it. I have marked it in advance. All this fall till this point has been discussed. The rise, as you can see from here, is corrective A, B, C, X, A, B, C, nothing else, nothing more. Two corrective patterns, they are separated by a intervening wave. So what next? We will restrict ourselves to this fall from 9178. Now you see this fall from 9178. It is a three-leg structure till now, but it is not a three-legged structure. If you strictly speak about it, it cannot be a flat or a zigzag. Why? Because I have marked this as ABC, but this cannot be an ABC. This has to be a part of a larger pattern. Simply because the A wave is the longest wave in this pattern. And in a three-legged structure, A wave just cannot be the longest wave. So this is not an ABC isolated structure. It has to be a part of a larger formation. and that larger formation can be a complex correction, double correction, or a triple three, or a triangle, or a diametric. We'll discuss about it. So this ABC, it has to be a part of a larger pattern. So if it is a part of a larger pattern, then one obvious choice is the triangle. In that case, A, B, C, D, and then we go for an E. See, first look of this chart will tell you very clearly there is no bullish pattern forming at this bottom. There is not a bullish pattern here which can tell you that yes, market is going to move high straight away and take out this high. It can, but that will also be a corrective pattern then. 9148, this is the level which should not be broken if there is any further downside still remaining for the market. If we have to fall below this level of 8967, 8960 odd level, then this high should not be taken out, 89148. And we can fall below, making a E wave of this triangle, which will be completed somewhere between this level. And then we can have a sharp rebound of 125, 150 point. Remember, if this is a triangle A, B, C, D, E, then E should be completing somewhere in this zone. And then a sharp pullback will be witnessed of say 100, 125 points. This is the first condition. The second condition is that we are forming a complex correction in which the first leg of the correction is here. This is very clearly an X wave. We have a A wave, no problems. This can be very easily a B wave, and we are pending a downward move. This downward move can start from this point, it can start from here, it can start from here, but 9148 should not be broken. In the triangle pattern also, 9148 should not be broken till we complete the pattern, and in this pattern also 9148 should not be broken. So for Tuesday, very simple trade, 9148 should be the stop lot for all shorts. It should not be taken out. If we have to have further downside on the market, then we can go fall further. And the first downside move will take us to 8950, 8920 odd levels. After that, we will have to wait and watch and see the pattern in the market, whether it's preparing for a third fall or not. And if we straight away move above 9148 without falling below, then 9220 and 9300 are the levels that you should watch out for, which we have discussed in the previous videos. So there's nothing else, nothing more to this chart. All the moves from here to here and here, they're all corrective. Yes, we have further scope of the downside. This is the key level that you should watch out if you have to play for the downside, that is 9148. And the first level where we should be booking our profit should be around 8950, 8920. The short should be booked there and wait for fresh pattern. And if we break straight away above 9148 in the morning, then 9220, 9300 are the levels to see. The two patterns on the downside that we may be forming, I have discussed. Triangle is least probable and this is the most probable. Keep this in mind, and that is all I have to share. So till we meet again, thank you, namaskar, Jai Hind.